Starting off the vlog, I would want to start the vlog today. Yeah, do it. Take the phone.
Hello guys. We're going for our solos.
After how many days?
After like what? One week,
Like a
macha?
week.
Yeah, like a week, macha.
We were getting cancelled every now and then due to weather.
Oh my
The weather is still very dicey.
Yep.
I don't know, let's see what happens.
We can't show this, macha. The weather.
I mean, that's how the weather is. That's the airport right there. And let's see how it's gonna go. What do you think, Macha? Is it gonna get cancelled or can we fly?
No, macha. I don't want to even talk about it, macha.
Let's hope for the best. Let's fly. Let's get solo released. Hello. What up, you all beautiful people? I hope you are doing absolutely amazing and beautiful. Today we are here at the Debrecen International Airport. Finally, after a month of no flying due to weather, we are finally here. And that too for our solo progress check. Let's see how it goes. If I pass my solo progress check, next is my solo. I'll do it today itself. So let's see, super excited for it. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Fingers crossed. Sad to the vlog. They missed you since the last one.
Oh.
When you gave the outro.
Hello guys. I'm back.
So we'll be joined by Karthik. I'll be doing my solo. He'll be doing his local area and traffic pattern. And if I get solo released,
Then we're gonna be fucking around on the company frequency.
not really. But we won't do any stupid shit. But let's see. Like, it's
Of course we're gonna do stupid shit, man. I'm gonna fly very close to you and I'm gonna tip your wing and
Hello, when we started. But I'm here with Macha, Varshit, and we're at Farmer Flight, currently going to Debrecen International Airport for our long-awaited solo. Thank you so much. We're finally going for our solo, long-awaited solo, man.
Macha, it's been 1 month, macha. Exactly 1 month.
Yeah, like I started vlogging and I didn't even upload it because it got cancelled for both of us.
Hey, exactly on 16th, no?
Yeah, I know.
Exactly on 16th.
It's been 1 month, so now
Exactly 1 month.
we're gonna be flying. We just got in with our briefing. Our instructor is coming to pick us up, and then we'll go. Let's see how it goes. Pehle Macha is gonna fly, then me. It's gonna be 2 hours of solo. First hour is progress, and if we pass the progress, we'll fly solo. So let's see how it goes. Also, people, so we reached our hangar, a beautiful hangar. वहाँ पे 2 multi हमारे रुके हुए हैं. And Varshit is flying now. वो गया है fly करने. उसका progress check के पहले. Once he lands, then I'll go for my progress check. And as I say, I can see him on the approach. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that plane. So he did a go around basically. The reason why he did a go around is because there's runway check in progress, and ये पता नहीं हर दूसरे दिन इनका runway check हो, हर दूसरे घंटे इनका runway check होता रहता है. So that must be the reason AFS ने बोला होगा to make a go around, and probably maybe an IFR traffic. अभी आना होगा इसको, so maybe runway check कर रहे होंगे. I don't know, man. Anything happens here. And with that, we are back. The reason why I smiled is because I got solo released. Varshit got solo released. He's on his solo now. अभी solo मार रहा है. He just did 1 touch and go. अभी और 1-2 मारेगा, and then next is your boy who's gonna go for solo. And like it was so amazing when we landed. The instructor looked at me and he was like, "What do you think?" क्योंकि मेरी फ्लाइट ख़त्म हो गई थी 15-20 मिनट में. लिटरली उसने सिर्फ मुझे 4 चीज़ करवाए. उसने मुझे बोला 2 लैंडिंग कर, ठीक है, 2 नॉर्मल सर्किट की लैंडिंग, एक डाउनविंड में इंजन कट कर दिया, एक क्रॉसविंड में इंजन कट कर दिया, और मैं दोनों में बहुत अच्छे से लैंड कर लिया. तो फिर उसके बाद उसने मुझे बोला कि भाई तू मुझे बता कि तू फेल हुआ कि पास हो, तुझे क्या लगता है. अब जल्दी करा है तो अब डाउट था कि फेल भी हो सकता है, पास भी हो सकता है. मैं क्या, आई डोंट नो. कहता है बोल क्या है तू, पास है कि फेल है. मैं क्या, आई फील लाइक इट्स अ पास. तो कहता है इट्स पास फॉर यू. एंड देन उसके बाद आई केम बैक. अभी वर्षित फ्लाई कर रहा है. आफ्टर दैट आई फ्लाई. आई ट्राई टू अटैच माई DJI वहाँ पे, एंड आई ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड सम क्लिप्स. बट so far so good. It's a good day now. So people, let's continue from where I left. The last solo Varshit खाली fly करा. मैं नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि there were a lot of IFR traffics plus sunset time आ रहा था, and VFR का ये rule है that after sunset you cannot fly because it's VFR of course. So for that reason they had to put a full stop for my solo. Though I got my solo arch after 2 days. It's not a check, it's gonna be solo. And let's see how it goes. Winds are quite bad. Not bad, but according to Windy, I checked it was 14 knots abhi to. Let's see if anything happens or we have to shut it down again. It has been happening to me in like 1 mahine se. And now as obvious it seems, if you can look at my hair, you know how bad the winds were. So we took off, we did take off to just see how it was going to, but it was very bad. And you can look at the clouds also, bahut gande hain. So for that reason, we had to cancel this. Now I have my next booking on the next day. So let's see. Vlog बहुत लंबा हो गया. Like मैं record, edit तो मैं कर दूंगा ऐसे, but बहुत लंबे दिन से मैं ऐसे vlog करे जा रहा हूँ. देखते कैसा होता है. Hope everything goes good, man. It's been a very long time since I've been recording this shit. Let's see क्या होता है. So for the best on the next day.
Hop in the music and rock your body. Rock your body.
And that feeling was something I can't even say. I was so excited the entire taxiway, holding shot, take off ke waqt bhi. And once I took off, I can fly. I can fly. I was no less than a bird, you know, and it was top notch. वो विराट कोहली का एक है ना इंटरव्यू में वीडियो, जिसमें वो कहता है कि तुम चाहे जितना भी हाथ पैर मार लो, ऊपर वाले का जब देने का इच्छा होगा वो तभी देगा. सो दैट जस्ट हैपेंड टू मी. आज भी इट वाज अ कैंसल फॉर मी. आई वाज ऑन स्टैंड बाय बिकॉज ऑफ बारिश, बट लकीली ऊपर वाले के चलते हैं और वो बारिश रुकी मेरे लिए. एंड देन आई फ्लू. दो तीन लैंडिंग में बारिश पड़ रही थी, बट it was all good. There was not a big deal. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I loved it, man. It was special for me. It's special for every student pilot. So, a fantastic day indeed. And here's the moment of truth. We got the applets. The thing that we were working so hard for and which took so long. Man, this feels really good to just hold it. Can't wait to put this on my shoulders for now, man. This looks so good. This feels so good.
He means this for the final, so he's having his first stop, okay? Now you're getting a little bit...
Oh, okay.
Situation is not good. That's the first one.
Kérdezzük az átirányítót. Jó, akkor ezt egyenlőre köszönöm. Mindjárt megpróbálok máshogy.
Brand new one, that's one.
It's complete brand new.
That's good.
Yeah, okay.
Van még egy lista, mindjárt abban megnézem, de van még elviselni.
It is.
Thank you.